ako mang gidala si Dorian sa Sto Nino Church.
Okay. Really?
Yeah, ako siya
Okay.
because it's it's one of the tourist place attraction. So nisod si Dorian and I was wearing shorts. And
Hindi ko kakasod.
wait.
Okay.
I was wearing shorts. Sud si Dorian. Pag ako na, gipugan ko sa guard. Siya, kadit lang. Tanaw siya na ako siya. Boy, girl. Sige, sud na lang.
Muna, cute kayo sila.
Yeah, like, and then we were in Sto Nino. So, Dorian was like, I could see it in her face that she was confused because she heard, like, boy or girl. Like, the guard was asking me. And I didn't answer, man. So, na siya, sige, sud na lang. So, kind of like, yeah, maybe he was confused. But at the same time, like, if he saw me a boy, I could wear a short and you can.
Right.
So, I was like, this is cute to me. Like, okay, like Filipinos are really open. And that's also why Dorian said na she felt that Philippines is a safe place for the LGBT because of those experiences that she saw.